Holy Stone GPS drone with 4K UHD camera for adults beginner. HS360S to for 9G. Foldable FPV-RC quadcopter with 10,000 feet control range. Brushless motor. Follow me. Smart return home. 5G transmission. Brand Holy Stone. Model name HS360S. Special feature for UHD camera drone. Time-lapse photography. GPS follow me. Auto return. Lightweight. No need FAA. Remote ID. Drones with camera for adults 4K. 10,000 feet FPV transmission for UHD camera drone. Time-lapse photography. GPS follow me. Auto return. Lightweight. No need FAA. See more. Age range description adult. Color black. Video capture resolution 4K. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi repeater. Included components propellers. Screwdriver instructions for use. Transmitter connection cable Type-C. USB, Lightning. Holy Stone HS360S GPS 4K drone. 4K GPS drone battery, charging cable propellers. Screwdriver instructions for use. Transmitter connection cable Type-C. USB, Lightning, Holy Stone H. Skill level all. Item weight 249 grams. Extremely lightweight, no FAA or remote ID registration. HS360S. Drone with camera for adults featuring the Holy Stone latest design. Weighs less than 150 grams. This GPS drone offers the perfect solution for hassle-free flying in the States without FAA or remote ID registration. Perfect for capturing stunning footage on the go. 4K UHD camera with Galaxy Core sensor. Holy Stone drones with camera for adults. 4K equipped with 1/3 CMOS Galaxy Core sensor and 4K 85 wide angle. Camera adjusted within 90 by remote control or the app. Captures stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos. Unleash your creativity from a whole new perspective. Advanced connection technology. HS360S. A GPS drone with camera. Features Holy Stone's enhanced remote controller. Now you can connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable and enjoy real-time image streaming without the necessity of Wi-Fi. Set the social media stage on fire with stunning visuals from the Holy Stone. HS360S. GPS 4K drone with camera. 10,000 feet long range transmission thanks to Holy Stone Advanced Intelligent Control System. The control range of HS360S. Drones with camera for adults 4K is up to 10,000 feet. The powerful modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight. Experience the freedom to explore like never before with Holy Stone drone for adults. Powerful GPS function. Holy Stone HS360S. Drones with camera for adults 4,000. Features precise GPS positioning, providing not only stable flight but also a safe return home. This GPS drone can perform return home function to find its way back to you when battery runs low or the connection breaks up. Let this 4K drone roam free and bring it back with ease whenever you're ready. User-friendly. Upgraded Holy Stone control system with the latest Holy Stone Intelligent Control System. HS360S drone with camera provides beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help you practice the drone control skill. Holy Stone GPS 4K drone is easy for the novice. Multiple stunning functions. HS360S drone with camera for adults makes aerial filming easy for you with intelligent recording modes like spiral up, catapult, and one-tap ascension. All you need to do is tap once, and this 4K drone with camera does the flying and filming for you. Functions like follow me, waypoint flight, and point of interest can enhance the flying experience. Never stop upgrading. Holy Stone HS Fly app would keep improving the functions of HS360S GPS drone to help you enjoy the ever-improving flight experience and shooting quality. Contact Holy Stone anytime if you have any drone issues. Holy Stone support is always available to assist you with the drone issue.